Okay, this is the proper way to slice and peel the sayote. Cut it into half. And see this one here? Okay. You just do it this way. Have you seen there's this white thing? This one on the edges? Okay, we don't like that. We want to take that away, because this bruises your hands. The more you do it like this, the more the white thing goes out. So we don't want that to touch our hands. Just continue doing it until you feel that there's nothing, the white one is already gone from your chayote. So it just only takes about a minute or two to keep on doing this. Okay, it's done. See these white thing on the edges? We don't want that. We don't want our skin to touch that because it burns our skin. So now it's easier for us to peel the chayote. This is how the chayote looks like when it's peeled. And now let's slice it into small cubes. I diced my chayote and it looks like this. It's cut into small dices. Our pan is already heated and let's add some oil. Just about 3 tablespoons of oil will do. Let's add in our garlic and onions. Adding in our ground pork. Just about 1/4. 1/4 of a kilo of ground pork. So let's leave it this way for now. We'll wait until the meat is cooked. Maybe about a minute or 2 again. Let's add in our chayote or sayote. I'm adding 1/2 cup of water. The water is for the sayote to be soft. Mix. And leave it for about 5 minutes. Let it simmer. I have 3 eggs and I'll add like half a teaspoon of salt and mix. Let's set this aside. Let's add in a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper. Seasoning your dish depends on your preferences. Again, if you want it a little bit salty, you can put some more salt, or if you're just like me, I don't really like my dish too salty, so I just place a teaspoon of salt. Make it simmer for a few minutes, and once your water has already dissolved, let's add in now our eggs. Put your eggs all over and mix. This is now our filling. Set this aside. So we have here our filling that we just cooked a while ago. Let's do and assemble it. Get some filling, put it in the middle of your bread, of your sliced bread. You can use any sliced bread. It really depends on your choice. So let's put it here and then cover it with another bread. And voila! Let's continue the others.